also turn on two-step authentication in your Temu account. First thing is open up a Temu app, which we've done right now. And the next thing you're going to do is at the bottom here, you have some options. You have home, categories, view, and cart. Tap on view. Now the next thing you're going to do is to tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Tap on account security. Now you can see the option for two-factor authentication. Right now it is off, but if you turn it on, you are going to protect your account by adding an extra layer of security. Tap on turn on. Then don't forget you must have a password first before you can use this. So you put in the password. Now once you put in the password, the next thing is going to say protect your account with extra security by turning on two-factor authentication. Then anyone who tries to sign in from a new device or browser with password will need to verify that they are allowed to access your account using an authenticator app or a unique code. So you can choose an option to get started. I am going to use authenticator app, which will help you generate OTPs and application. No network connectivity is required, or you choose to store two-factor verification using SMS. Let's say I want SMS, then let's tap on continue. Then you add the phone number you want the SMSs to be sent to. Submit. So to complete the verification step, they will send the verification code to your phone.